Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Cottagecore style home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Cottagecore style home decor is all about creating a cozy, nostalgic and nature-inspired living space that feels like a charming countryside cottage. It blends vintage aesthetics with comfort, simplicity, and a strong connection to the outdoors. Colors and textures: soft, muted colors like cream, shell green, dusty pink, lavender, and warm neutrals. Natural textures such as linen, cotton, lace, and wool. Weathered wood finishes and distressed furniture for a lived-in feel. Furniture and layout: vintage or antique style wooden furniture, farmhouse tables, wicker chairs, iron bed frames. Open shelving in the kitchen to display dishes, jars, and plants. Cozy nooks with layered textiles like quilts, crocheted drawers, and floral cushions. Nature and greenery: lots of indoor plants, potted herbs, hanging plants, evening or dried flowers. Fresh cut flowers in mason jars or vintage vases. Botanical prints on walls or textiles. Decor and accessories: handmade crafts like crochet, embroidery, or patchwork. Vintage ceramics, teacups, and glass jars. Plastic kitchenware like enamel pots, cast iron pans, and wooden utensils. Finishing touches: floral or gingham patterns on curtains, tablecloths, and bedding. Open windows with light, airy curtains to let in natural light. A touch of whimsy: bookshelves with classic novels, nature-inspired artwork, or a writing desk with dried flowers. Cottagecore isn't about perfection. It's about creating a warm, inviting space where comfort and charm meet simplicity. Furniture and setup: mix vintage and handmade, chipped wooden chairs, antique cabinets, or handmade crochet covers to give a collected overtime look. Go for simplicity. Avoid too modern sleek furniture. Instead, choose cozy, rustic, or weathered pieces. Create a reading nook. Place a comfy chair near a window with a soft blanket, cushions, and a small bookshelf. textiles and fabrics. Layer cozy textures. Use coils, crocheted throws, lace toils, and floral cushions for warmth and charm. Choose soft patterns. Gingham, florals, and towel fabrics work beautifully for curtains, bedding, and tablecloths. Use dried flowers, hang lavender, roses, or wildflowers upside down for a rustic countryside vibe. Finishing touches, natural colors. Stick to soft greens, creams, blush pinks, and earthy browns for a calm palette. Storybook corners. Keep a desk with stationery, past flowers, or vintage books to add a whimsical touch. Nature-inspired touches. Window herb garden. Grow mint, rosemary, or basil on your windowsill in little clay pots or glass jars. Baskets everywhere. Use open baskets for storage instead of plastic bins. They look rustic and practical. Wildflower buckets. Pick seasonal wildflowers and display them in pitchers, animal jugs, or mason jars. Cozy corners. Patchwork coils. Layer different vintage coils on beds or sofas for warmth and texture. Plastic kitchen shelf. Add open wooden shelves with cookbooks, jars or grains, and animal mugs. Tea table setup. Dedicate a small table for teapots, cups, and a lace tablecloth. Perfect for Cottagecore tea time. Vintage mirrors. Ornate, gold, or distressed frames make spaces feel larger and romantic. Thanks for watching the video.